Welcome guys to Code Tide. What is AI? From 1950 by the Turing test, 1956, 1980 expert system, 1996 Deep Blue, and 2012 deep learning, 2020, just few years ago, ChatGPT 3, 2023 GPT-4 ChatGPT, and the 2025 multimodal agentic AI. Is right now we are using agentic AI. So, what is artificial intelligence? AI. So history. The term AI was coined by John McCarthy. So it comes the definition in 1956. The art and science of making machine intelligence is not AI. Here you can see there's a human is trained to the machine. So the definition is says that the making intelligence of the machine is known as AI. This term coined by John McCarthy. What is AI? So we can see AI. The subset of AI is ML, and the subset of ML is deep learning. So we need to learn the three things: deep learning, and then machine learning, and the AI. Here we are talking about AI. Machine learning. What is machine learning? So traditional learning. A few years ago, we are learning about the traditional learning and machine learning. So traditional learning means data plus algorithm is equal to results. So what is machine learning? How is different from the traditional learning? In the machine learning, the data plus result is equal to algorithm is known as machine learning. Deep learning, subset of AI. Subset of AI is deep learning. A learn with their own data. So the things which learn by their own data is known as deep learning. Help to create the new and complex level of algorithms. Here is input. Here in this figure, we can see that the input, the blue dots are the inputs, and here the pink type is the hidden data, and the last is the output, means with the yellow data. So the input are the starting phase, the blue ones are the starting phase, the pink ones are the intermediate stage, and the output is the final. So basically, in concise and precise words, deep learning means the type of the some of the particular solutions or the type of the AI which can be learned by their own data, don't need human to train these models, are known as deep learning. Difference is between the machine learning and the deep learning. Here, machine learning is subset of AI, and the deep learning is subset of machine learning. Machine learning use small data sets, and deep learning use the large data sets. It's trained by the humans, and it learned by its own. Machine learning creates simple algorithms, and deep learning create complex algorithms. In this figure, it can be visible. We can see here the feature instruction classification output machine learning. Deep learning, the input and the feature expression classification and the output. So the difference basically, the difference is all of that in the machine learning and the deep learning. Basically, the basic and the main difference, it's trained by the humans and it learns by the own. So, conclusion. We learned these keywords basically in the one like AI, the whole system. ML, subpart of the AI trained by the humans. DL, subpart of ML trained by itself. By combining these three concepts is known as generative AI. Next time, we conclude this terminology many more. Prompt engineering, generative AI, data science, data analyst, and AI engineers. Key components of the AI: machine learning, deep learning, neural networks, natural language processing, computer vision, and consecutive computing. Thank you for watching the Good Tide.